Hello everyone. If you're preparing for the IELTS exam, grammar can either boost your band score or silently pull it down. Today, I'll explain the common mistakes students make in writing and speaking and how to avoid them. Watch till the end because these mistakes can affect your task achievement and grammatical range and accuracy. Incorrect tense usage is one of the most common mistakes in IELTS writing. For example, in recent years, people use smartphones more frequently is wrong, whereas the correct format is in recent years, people have used smartphones more frequently. This is because we have to use present perfect tense for trends and changes over time. Students often forget to match the subject with the correct verb form. Let us look at an example. The number of students are increasing. This is wrong. This is because the number is singular. The correct format is the number of students is increasing. Articles such as a, and the are very important in IELTS. Use the for specific things and use a or an for referencing general things. Incomplete or overly long sentences reduce clarity. Each sentence must express a complete idea. For instance, you shouldn't write or say because technology is advancing rapidly. You have to say because of technology is advancing rapidly, people rely on it more. Prepositions are often misused in IELTS. Common pairs include interested in, focus on, and responsible for. For example, interested in sports. IELTS writing must be very formal. Do not use slang words and contractions. You shouldn't write, kids nowadays don't like studying. Instead, write, children nowadays do not enjoy studying. Grammar can feel difficult, but with the right strategy, it becomes manageable. Take one mistake at a time and improve it step by step. See you in the next video.